In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that will definitely help you with your head turn and eye movement. These 3 tips won't just help you tighten up your U-turns, but they will also help you with your overall motorcycle control and wheel placement. Now by this, I mean you making the motorcycle go where you want it to go. Hey guys, it's Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my Prorider Central Texas YouTube channel. Now, if you're serious about improving your skills and taking your riding to the next level, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. This video is part 1 of a 5-part series on how to improve your U-turns. And at the end of this video, I'm going to ride part of one of the patterns we call the intersection or on cross. This will demonstrate what it looks like when you apply the 3 tips I'm going to give you today. Now, if you've been riding a motorcycle for any length of time at all, you've probably been told or yelled at to, "Turn your head, turn your head." Now, I've taught many new and experienced riders over the years, including motorcycle officers. And I know from my own experience that it's much easier said than done. But I've also learned that just turning your head is not enough. Your eyes and where you're looking plays an important role. So why is your head turn and eye movement so important? Well, for one, your motorcycle will always go where you're looking. So if you turn your head, but your eyes are looking in the other direction, then you're actually counteracting your head turn. So tip number 1 is always look where you're going, not where you are. Now, one mistake that riders make is incorrect eye movement. I've been to numerous accident scenes where riders have left the roadway and struck objects. Now, normally it's because the rider is looking at the object they don't want to hit instead of looking at where they want the motorcycle to go. So it's much more than just turning your head. Your eyes play an important role. So it's head turn plus proper eye movement equals success. Now, with that being said, let's look at what wrong eye movements look like. Now, in this video, you can see that my head is turned to the left, but my eyes are looking to the right. This in itself will cause you to make wide U-turns. Now, as I have stated before, your motorcycle will always go where you're looking. So now let's look at the correct technique. Now, as you can see the difference in this video, my head is turned to the left and my eyes are looking in the direction that I want to go. So now this leads us to tip number 2, which is keeping your chin up. So another mistake that riders make is they look down at the ground or have the chin down when they're making their U-turns instead of having the chin level with the horizon. By keeping your chin level with the horizon, you'll have a much better range of motion when making your head turn. Now in this video, you can see how my head turns restricted when I turn my head with my chin down and I'm looking down at the ground. Now, if you wear a full face helmet, this will restrict your head turn even more, as you can see. Now look at how much more range of motion I have by simply keeping my chin up. Now tip number 3, make quick and precise head turns. Now another thing I see that riders will make a slow head turn or they will turn their head as they're making their U-turn, as seen in this video. Your head turn needs to be quick and precise. When you make a quick full head turn, look at how natural it causes your arms to turn. This helps getting the handlebars turned, which makes it easier to get the full lock with your handlebars, which makes for a tighter U-turn. I will cover handlebar full lock in another video. Okay, now that we've talked about the proper head movement and how to properly use your eyes to make the motorcycle go where you want it to go, let's look at the video of me demonstrating all 3 tips put together. You can see in this video as I'm riding into the pattern, getting ready to make my right 90-degree turn, the motorcycle is still going straight, but my head is turned and my eyes are looking where I want the motorcycle to go. Then, as you can see, as I'm getting ready to make my U-turn, again, look at my head and eyes. And as I am setting up for the last 90-degree turn, notice that the motorcycle is still coming up out of the lean and my head and eyes are already looking where I want the motorcycle to go next. Now I want to thank you for watching, and I hope this video gave you a much better understanding on how proper head turn and eye movement work together when riding. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and share it. And don't forget to check out part 2 of this series to learn more about friction zone and throttle control. Also, hit the comment section below and leave any tip that you've used that's helped you improve your head turn and eye movements. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, till next time, ride safe.